Rainey says it's buggy in here. That ain't showing. Just a few. I've started sweeping. A little pile just from around that direction, which I haven't done too much of. Because most of them have been, excuse me. Oh, most of them have been pretty much, from right in here. And they get around, but, more over here, more there, more along the door. So, get it swept up. Then I'll have to help Ty with stuff when she gets here. Kind of looks like it might be raining now. It wasn't when I came in. Yeah, it is. Everything's wet. I'm going to say that's some crows flying over as it won't focus on it because it's trying to focus on the raindrops. There's a bunch more over there. So anyway, yeah, they were right. It rained today. It was dry as a bone when I came over. So anyway, oh yeah, those heifers, they were nice and calm this morning. They haven't been taken to water or fed yet. Just when I walked in the barn, they didn't have a spaz. So yeah, you know what we're doing? They're even, I don't know why they end up there. Maybe because they flop around when I hit the floor on the inside. I don't know. I would have vacuumed them up in that corner there, but if you notice, there's no vacuum down here because she still has it up there. Oh, it's right there. I'll show you this much. The bucket's up there on the top. That shelf's deep enough. That is the teeth for the 216 New Holland V-rake. There's rights and left hands, so there's two buckets and one's in front of the other. And we're just going to try to do it that way and get more and less space. A lot of stuff it's kind of hard to do much with, but as long as it works. If she gets done up there, then we can actually tackle down here, and there's some things down here that need to go up there. And the boys are outside, so guess who gets her bed? The old lady gets her bed, makes her happy. All righty. Okay. What do you say, Rain? See him later? Okay. Well, this is the last one to get tied up here this morning to drink water. The others have been done. We're calling her Nervous Nellie. She's the one who had the nervous poops, went in the bottom hole down there. And she still got the nervous poops. A little better than it was. We're telling her that she needs to drink some more water because she's lost a lot of liquid because she literally shit more than the other three combined.
Well, she did have one solid poop though in her.
It wasn't that solid.
No, but
it looked solid. It flattened out pretty good when it hit the ground, but anyway. She's being good.
I hear you, Nellie.
Not pulling on the halter. And Piper Dougie, he was wondering why we do this. We do this because later, if you need to slip a halter on one, they don't kill you. I mean, hey, I love the idea that you can get all your heifers to follow you around with a bucket of grain and that you can scratch on all of them. But once in a while, you just have to put a halter on one and tie them up to do something with them, and they can be the biggest pet in the world and crawl right into your pocket. But as soon as you put that halter on them, it's rodeo time.
I mean,
it's bad enough doing a rodeo at 500 pounds. Some of these girls are going to be 1,500 or 1,800 pounds. And
well, and you guys, if you guys have been with us long enough, you guys have seen Splotchy, one of our beloved cows from a couple years ago. She had never had a halter on her. But she was so sick at the time and knew that it was the end that I was lucky enough where I got to slip a halter on her and walk her down. You get the rare occasions like that, but most of the time they're going to be like the original ones that you tied up where they jump at you and all that stuff. They try to run away from you, like you guys have seen, trying to get these girls up here for the first time. And that's where it makes it hard when they're so big.
Yeah, once they're big, you don't have your advantage. When they're smaller like this, you know, hey, 100, 200 pounds on the end of that halter is enough that they notice you're there.
100? Who the hell's 100?
That'd be nice. Put her on the end of the halter, we can do it.
She's not 100 pounds.
Well, plus him they are.
Yes.
Anyway,
Right,
so, you know, they remember that in another 5 or 10 years. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's something on the other end of the halter. I got to stop. And you may not be able to lead them very well, but they're not going to fight it. And if you got to tie them, they'll be kind of like her. Okay, I'm here. No big deal. So,
good girl, Nellie. You're all right.
she's being fine. I like that. One of the others was really good too. Stood here without pulling on the halter at all.
Well, two of them are. Mel, the top one, and then OT3 Kirby.
Okay, so 2 of them. I missed the first one. I wasn't in here.
Well, I knew I could handle her by myself. It was no
But
big deal.
anyway, that's how this is going, and that's way too long of a clip. I won't get anything else. But hey, the training. Just another day of making them respect the halter. This group just got tied up last night. This one's doing really good. Song in the background I figured kind of fit. See if she's gonna kiss her or run her over. I don't know if you can hear her or not. But she's doing good. And the next one there, she's just been a slightly bitch. Next one not so bad. The one at the bottom, she's been awful nervous. She's had the nervous shits since she come in.
You know what? They were after solid.
But the one with the nervous shits, she wasn't too bad this morning, considering. She's just really nervous, shaking. She'll get over it. Oh, they came in. We all expect hay. I think the only reason they went out is because they ate all their hay. Lots of mess. Last I looked, we had about 3/10 for the day. Heavy rain this morning, and then just good heavy mist the rest of the day. It's still kind of trying. And yeah, I missed getting you some video of the calves Ty's working with. And the shop's getting closer. It ain't gonna get done today either. Of course, Tom didn't get my part done either. He'd been stuck playing electrician on equipment in their other shop for the last 2 days. He said he did work on it for a little bit this morning, so he says he's got to work tomorrow anyway, so he'll probably finish it up then. He'll either give me a call and tell me it's done, or he might even just show up with it, which is fine. He hadn't been out here for a while. So anyway, she's got the last one at water right now. I don't know where she went to hide. She walked off and I ain't seen her. Oh, there she is. She's feeding hay. This is the last one we got in last night and brought up. She wasn't too bad. Worst ones, that one. Took her forever to get her tied back up. I had to go in there and stand there so she wouldn't keep trying to go on the other side of the divider. Oh yeah, fun. And I don't know, we got a few more buckets full of parts. I got a little bit of stuff cleaned up downstairs. Well, look, hey, there she is. Her wrist hurts too. The one right there, when she went to untie her, she was trying to get the halter slipped down out of her eyeballs. And about the same time, I think my mother let her dog out. And her dog comes out and has to go yippee yippee and try to piss the rest of the dogs off. which, you know, 4 dogs run out of here 90 miles an hour, and her dog up there yipping. I got her just smashed between the head and the divider. We're calling this one Nervous Nelly. So we'll see what she does here going back. She was good coming up to water. Hopefully she's good going back.
You might outweigh me by a couple hundred, but come on. Oh, I know.
Not too bad. Bad thing is getting the rope through and where they can finally do something. I scratched on her this morning and she was nice. She was good. She was still nervous though. She just can't figure out where to go with that divider. So there we go. She's done with that for the night. Yeah, maybe I'll show you what the shop looks like. I haven't been upstairs yet.
Now I can go shower.
And she's gonna go shower. She smells like stink bugs again. I'm glad I really don't smell them. Becky came in the shop earlier and first thing out of her mouth was, ew, it stinks in here.
This morning is the worst. It's just cold and crisp enough where it stinks really bad. But then you get to the afternoon and I'm so used to it now, I don't give a shit.
So anyway, I'll go up there and show you what she's got done. Still a mess, but it be here. Buckets with parts in them. Shelves cleaned up. She's from down there up to here. She's pretty well done cleaning everything up. Just got to resort a little bit of stuff here. Not like we have U-bolts around enough. And of course, up here the bugs have been falling into this again. Floor's full of it. She didn't clean this up yesterday morning. That's still pretty good though. And there's a few bugs on the floor today, but nothing like it has been. Got a few things out of the way down here. Another box to throw in the recycle, but yeah, I had it cleaned up. Maybe by morning there'll be about that many bugs again. I don't know. Anyway, and just because it's kind of a pain in the butt editing and putting things in the right place, and Power Director throws TikToks in a different spot. I do have a TikTok for getting one of those tied up. So, or they led to water. So, probably, if I didn't already throw it in ahead of this, I'll throw it in here at the end. So, anyway, that's our Friday. Everybody had a good day and hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.